welcome back to another video. I have already filmed the video, just wanted to apologise in advance. The quality's not great, the lighting's not great, my ring light died in the middle of filming. Yeah. Chaos. It is a slime video. I've been looking forward to more slime and yeah. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I've already played with this, which is why it's like not that clear. It's all bubbly. Because like, I want to do better with that Easter slime. I was playing with it again recently and it's gone like really bad again. And I'm like, I'm not bothered fixing it again. I'm just making a whole new slime. But I wasn't bothered going from scratch either, so I'm using this Elmer's goo. It's pretty good, so that's good. But I don't want it clear, and I also thought I wouldn't mind it being a bit fluffy, so I've got this shaving foam and I'm gonna add that to it. I did wonder how it would go because it is store-bought slime, but okay, that's pretty good. I actually really like this. It looks like this really glossy white slime. Okay, I coloured it. Now I'm going to add some of this interference blue pigment. I've just got a very tiny bit there. I think it could use a little bit more. I really like this. That pigment just gives that tiny little bit of sort of blue shine to it, which is nice because it's a very sort of reddy orangey kind of pink. I like how bright it is though. all I took the giant beads and the flowers from the other one as well. So it has extra beads, flowers and a bunny. Because I love the bunnies. They are so cute. So far nothing's coming out of it, which I really like. Oh, and my little bunny here. Clear its little face. Oh, cute. I like it. You can tell which bunnies from the previous slime and which bunnies new because one's slightly pink tinted and the bottom's like very pink and the other one's like so white. Cute. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time. Bye!